Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install these Blum Motion 86 clips. They're like 10 of them for $5 on Amazon, the name brand. These are Blum. And these are Kraftmaid cabinets with slow close hinges. They got the little adjuster here for slow close on and off. Okay, really easy, you just unscrew the screw. Make sure you don't unscrew the cam screw. There's two cam screws that kind of adjust things. This is the center screw. So, really easy. Just do one at a time so you don't have to realign all your doors afterwards. So, let it close. The orientation, see that bar in there on the right side? This little hook just hooks on the bar. It doesn't really hook, it just rests. Alright, so here's the clip. It's easier to do it when you're not trying to show it on camera, of course. And it just goes in just like that. Boom. And then while you're holding this in, kind of close the hinge on your finger, but don't pinch your finger, of course. There we go, and that holds it in. Screw it in. Like a manual screwdriver, don't use a drill. Then shut it, and then it'll click in place, and then it'll stop it from hitting the door. But ours apparently we need a motion 80, because it's not enough. So, but we've installed them in all of our cabinets. Here, I'll show you this one. We have a beam here that we're trying not to hit, and we installed two of them. You only need one per cabinet, really, but for this one, I wanted to make sure over time the plastic didn't wear down in just one. I put two in, and it keeps it from hitting the beam unless you swing it really hard, and it will hit the beam if you swing these, because the entire frame will flex, and it'll allow it to go that extra 3 degrees, or 4 degrees. So don't expect it to save it from a hard swing, just, normal, well, normal opening, What I'm actually gonna do here is do a cable from here to here so that I don't get black paint over time. And if you want something that works 100%, just install a cable like I did. Much better than the clips, but if your tolerances aren't this tight, the clips are much easier to install, and you don't have to drill into your cabinet. Anyway, thanks for watching.